Top 10 technologies that only China has. China has developed several cutting-edge technologies that set it apart globally. Here are 10 notable ones. Quantum communication networks. China leads in quantum encryption, with the world's first quantum satellite, MISIS, enabling ultra-secure communication. High-speed rail network, the most extensive and advanced high-speed rail system, with speeds reaching 350 kilometers per hour. 5G technology leadership. Companies like Huawei and ZTE have pioneered 5G infrastructure, making China a global leader in deployment. Solar expressways, roads embedded with photovoltaic cells that charge electric vehicles as they drive. Floating solar power plants, large-scale floating solar farms, such as the one in Anhui province. Waste-to-energy plants, massive facilities converting waste into usable energy, like the Shenzhen plant. FAST radio telescope, the world's largest single-aperture radio telescope, used for deep space exploration. Fourth-generation nuclear power plants. The Shida-1 high-temperature gas-cooled reactor is the first of its kind. Facial recognition technology, advanced AI-driven surveillance and authentication systems. E-commerce innovations. Platforms like Alibaba and JD.com have revolutionized online shopping with AI-driven logistics. China continues to push technological boundaries, shaping the future of innovation.